Hey all, welcome back to the DiaBeautyBlossoms. So today you can understand I have a juicy chemistry haul. It's not a big haul, it's a small mini haul, but they had this recent sale for Valentine's Day, so I thought I'll pick a few of them. And I've picked few products, and also I want to try the gifting range, like where they have these boxes made of wood, and see if actually it can accommodate few of my products, because I have been having difficult times to find products which I want to use on day-to-day basis. So I want to put all my skincare which I use regularly in one box so I can use it easily. Yes, without further ado, let's just start. And I really love this box. It's so nicely made up, and it says JC Juicy Chemistry Simplified Skincare. So I have some products which I ordered in this. I have unwrapped everything. It was a big box, and I've put everything here. So the first one I picked up is this Juicy Chemistry Ylang Ylang and Lavender Daily Cleanser. I actually made two orders earlier, and I noticed I never picked up any cleanser for my skin type, so I thought I'll pick up one. Cleanser for myself. So this is the one I have picked up, and this is of 75 grams. It's of 350 rupees. I got a discount. I don't are like 6 months since you open it, and I'm a little skeptical. I didn't start it, so I'm sure I'll finish it within 6 months. So yes, this is the daily cleanser I've picked up. I really am expecting good benefits from this one. Also has good ingredients in it, like it has oatmeal, sugar, olive oil, vitamin E, jojoba oil, lavender, almond meal, so it's all good. Then I picked up this one, which is the Juicy Chemistry Simplified Skincare Pomegranate, Zuki and Myra. This is a dry and mature skin face scrub. This I want to also give it to my mom and see if she likes it. This is again 75 grams product, and it has all the good ingredients like the macera sugar, organic sugar, white sugar, punica, that's pomegranate, orange peel powder, rose essential oil, pomegranate oil, sandalwood oil, and rosehip flowers. And I got these, so once I open them I can put these caps to make it more hygiene. Little spatula so I can scoop out the product from them. And finally, after a lot of struggle, I got this sort of packaging because it's glass. They have packed very carefully. So this is the rosemary essential oil, which is very tiny bottle and expensive, but I'm excited to try this one. I have few DIYs which I want to use the rosemary oils. Also included this natural cleanser. I already have one of these, so I will not start using it, but yes, this is the one. And then I picked up this one from the gifting range, which is very pretty, right? But little upset to see it was damaged. So if you see, it's damaged, it's torn, so the rest will torn easily. The rest will tear easily because it's damaged, and it's very thin sheet, and I don't think I was little upset to see this one because I expected it to be wooden. I think this is a wood sheet, but very thin, because if they have this one here, when I pull, the pressure will pull this sheet back, and this will actually cause it to break here, which is already damaged. I have reached out to team and they said they will replace it, so I'm very happy, and thanks Juicy Chemistry for doing that. But once I get the new one, I will try to use it to put some oils in it. Thing, as you have already seen initially, is this box, which is a gift box, and I really like it. So I expected it will be big because I have seen in their video I thought it will be big, but actually this is the bigger one. They also have a smaller box. I think it will be a little smaller than this, but this is the one. I really like it, so I can put all my skincare in it. Yes, this is all I picked up from Juicy Chemistry haul, and I want to try the gifting range. I really like this box and also the skincare. So yes, thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thanks all. Talk to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.